In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can fix the email you provided is not supported in ChatGPT. This is quick and easy. So all you have to do, guys, is just watch this video till the end and you will be able to fix this problem. Now, the first thing you need to do, guys, you want to search for ChatGPT. By the way, you can do the same thing on your phone or iPhone or Android phone. Now, right now I'm using desktop. So you can do the same steps, guys, like the same thing on both devices, on all devices. Okay, now you want to click on login. Okay, now after you click, guys, on login, your problem is when you put here the email, let me do that right now. When you put here the email, the problem is the ChatGPT doesn't accept that email. They always say that it's not it doesn't work. Okay, now what you need to do, guys, to fix this, this is exactly what I did, is I logged in using my Google account. Okay, you just want to create a Gmail, you just want to create a Google account on your phone. Now whenever you click on continue with Google, you will be able to see here the account. Okay, now you want to click on the account and you will be able to log in without any problem, just like me right now. I'm going to ask ChatGPT about this exact problem, as you can see. Okay, this is I asked ChatGPT like how to fix the email you provided is not supported in ChatGPT, and this is what ChatGPT says. Okay, so you either try these things or you do the method that I showed you, guys. Let's just log in using your Google account and you will be able to use ChatGPT. So if this video helped you, please drop a like and subscribe. Let me know in the comments if this works. See you guys next video.